In this video, you will learn how to share Google Search Console access with other people and what each permission level represents. To add the user to a Google Search Console property, you must have owner access to the website. Now, let's see the step-by-step process on how to share the access. First, open your Google Search Console account. Once you are on the dashboard, the next step is to select the property you wish to give access to a user. From your dashboard, click on the drop-down in the top left corner and select the website. Then you need to go to the Settings menu. To do this, scroll down on the left side menu and select Settings. Once there, you'll be taken to the settings for the specific property you selected earlier. Then click on Users and Permissions. Now press the Add User button, enter the email address of the user to whom you wish to grant access, and select the permission level. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Our goal at SEO Testing is to save you time so you spend less time pulling data into Excel and more time thinking about how to get more traffic from Google. Now, back to the video. Now I'll explain what permission levels Google Search Console has and what they mean. Google Search Console provides different permissions, which is great as you may want to give your clients a different level of access than your internal team. A verified owner in Google Search Console is like the boss. They can see everything about how your site's doing in search. This role allows them to not only view all the data related to your website's search performance, but also grants them the authority to take critical actions such as changing settings, removing URLs from search results, and sharing access with others. Usually, you'd give this power to someone who really needs to take control of your site. Maybe it's an SEO expert you hired, or in a big company, it could be your main SEO person or marketing manager. Basically, the person who can oversee and implement strategic decisions. The delegated owner in Google Search Console is like a trusted deputy. They can do most things a verified owner can, like see all data and make changes. But the key difference is they can't give ownership to others. In big companies, it's great for senior team members who need extensive access to manage the site but don't need full control. Think senior SEO analysts or digital marketing specialists. It's also useful when working with outside agencies or consultants. They get enough power to do deep analysis and make changes, but your company keeps the highest level of control. Full user in Google Search Console gives a lot of access, but not to everything. They'll be able to look at all reports, submit sitemaps, and check settings. But here's the catch. They can't change who has access or mess with certain site settings. It's perfect for when they need to dig deep into the data without having total control. This level works great for people like SEO specialists or content managers on your team. They can monitor your search performance, spot trends in the data, and plan content strategies. It's also handy if you are working with outside SEO experts or agencies. They can get into your website stats and give you solid advice, but they can't make big changes you might not want. Restricted user in Google Search Console is the most limited access you can give. They'll be able to see most of the data in reports, but that's about it. They can't do things like submit sitemaps or change settings. Also, they won't see some specific stuff like messages or certain security issues. This level is great for team members or partners who need to know how your site's doing, but shouldn't be making changes. Think of a junior SEO person or an intern. They can learn and watch, but not mess with anything. It's also good for outside people working with you. They can keep up with how a project is performing without accidentally changing things they shouldn't. It's all about letting people see what's going on without giving them the power to make changes. Associate permission in Google Search Console is a bit different than the others. Say you've got an expert who needs to connect and analyze YouTube data with your website. Associate access lets them do that without getting into the rest of Google Search Console. Or maybe you're working with an analyst who's focused on Google Analytics. They can link and check relevant data, helping them give you better insights into your site's performance, all without full access. This role is designed to integrate your website with other Google services, allowing users to make necessary configurations and view relevant data in those specific services without accessing Google Search Console. Now, if you want to make the most out of your Google Search Console data, use SEO testing to set up SEO tests and know what changes to your site increase traffic. We have a 14-day free trial for you to test it. Sign up using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.